Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this festive Christmas raisin rice recipe. Let's get started. Okay guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some mixed vegetables, some broken jasmine rice. You can use any white rice of your choice. You do not have to use broken jasmine rice. I just had a lot of it left over from a previous recipe and I decided to use it up. Here I'll be using some shredded carrots, some bell peppers, onions, raisins. I have scallions and celery, some fresh green seasoning, garlic, ginger, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So here to my pot I've added some oil and I will go in with my washed jasmine rice. This technique I'm using here, we will be toasting the rice. So here I seasoned it with my seasoning and my green seasoning. I will leave the link to that listed down below. We will toast the rice, frying it for a good 4 to 5 minutes, stirring consistently. This technique gives you the perfect fluffy rice every time. You always want to toast it first before adding any liquids to boil or steam it. So as you can see here, the rice has loosened up nicely, and this is where you want to add your liquid. So I will add some water. I will leave all the correct measurements that I used listed down below. We will add our watering, give it a stir, and we will allow it to come up to a boil or a simmer before we cover and allow it to steam. So as you can see here, the rice has come up to a simmer or a boil. This is where you want to sit your lid on, turn the heat down to low and allow it to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, your liquid should evaporate and your rice should be perfectly done. So what I like to do is sit the lid back on, remove it from the heat and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before fluffing it. So after 10 minutes, I went in with a fork and I fluffed the rice, and like I said, it was perfectly done. Once it is fluffed, we will set it aside and proceed to the next step. Next, I added some oil to a separate pot and we'll go ahead and just saute our vegetables. So I will add my aromatics, garlic and ginger, and we will just allow these to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now in goes our mixed vegetables and the raisins. I forgot to mention that I hydrated the raisins first by adding a little bit of hot water to them, squeezing them out, and that's it. I will add a pinch of seasoning here just for flavor and taste. And once this is mixed in, we will allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so before we come in with our rice. So here I will now add the rice. We will give it a good mix. And the last thing I like to add is my fresh scallions, parsley, and my shredded carrots. I didn't want them to be cooked, so I add them in last. And that's it, guys. Your delicious Christmas raisin rice is all done. You can now plate this up and enjoy. This is one of my absolute favorites. When I was growing up, at Christmas time, we would have the nice raisin rice on the table, and it was a joy. And like I said, you can use any rice for this recipe, but let me tell you, nothing beats the broken jasmine rice. This is so amazing, and it brings me right back to childhood because this is the kind of rice we used to use back in Guyana to make these kinds of recipes. Any kind of rice recipe like fried rice, raisin rice, Spanish rice, This is the rice we used to use, and it was so delicious. You hardly get these rice now, but if you can find it, give it a try for me. Now let me plate this up and show you all the finished product. So I did plate this up with some sorrel, honey glazed chicken, a fresh garden salad, and some potato salad, and it was amazing. I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients listed in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Happy holidays in advance, and enjoy.